very excited that we are opening our new hospital today. We've put a lot of planning over the last couple years to make this day a success, and it certainly has proven to be well worth the planning.
It was exciting. It's part of history. I'd much rather be home, of course, but since I'm here, it was a unique experience. The staff just coming together. It was absolutely smooth. It was very impressive, all of the ambulances, roads being directed. I felt like a VIP having police escorts coming to the hospital.
We've had great collaboration with our city partners and our county partners as far as getting patients from one hospital to the other. We've had our local police force monitoring the intersections and the traffic lights to make the transition very smooth from one location to the other.
I started my career at South Florida Baptist as a brand new nurse, so I've grown there, and it's exciting to come to a new building. However, it is that bittersweet of leaving behind all the memories that you created there with different team members, but I'm looking forward to creating new memories here in this new beautiful hospital and being able to provide our patients with the best care they can possibly get.
Baptist Hospital has been in the Plant City community for 70 years, and we did our best to bring the legacy with us. The spirit of the hospital is really the team and the people that work in the hospital. So that's coming with us to the new facility. So we have the best of both worlds. We have a great team of team members, physicians that are so excited about this new facility.
This has been a difficult part of life, but it has been made much easier by the care, the compassion, and also the professionalism of the staff here. So I couldn't recommend this hospital more.